Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my third tutorial on Android app development. In this video, I will be creating a project called Calculator app in Android. So let's get started. This is the layout of my application. So I want to have a plain text here. No, first of all, I will be having this num1 and I will take the input as number. Similarly, I will create another text view. So you can see I have created the two edit text and two text view. I will take the input of the user in those text views, and for operations I need to select button, add, we get another button as subtract, I take another button as multiply, and I take another button as divide. Alright, now when user will press add button, those two numbers will be added and will be shown on screen. So I have to first of all initialize those edit text. So for this I select edit text E1 and E2, and do I need to initialize these text views? No, because we don't need them. Alright, so we don't need to initialize those. I will be initializing those edit text here. Find view by ID, or edit text. Similarly for E2, edit text find view by ID, or edit text 2. Now I have to create the separate methods for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first of all I create those separate methods. Public void addition, similarly public void subtraction, public void multiplication, public void division. Alright, now I want to take the first of all take the input of the user, convert it to integer, and then add them together. Alright, this will be the algorithm I will be using. So first step, take the input in string. Second step, convert string to integer. Third step, sum them, and fourth step, show them. Alright, now how first of all in first step we have to take the input. So to take the input we use a string. First of all, num1 equals to e1 dot get text dot to string. Similarly for number 2, e2 dot get text dot to string. Now the first step is completed. I have successfully taken the input of the user. Now I have to convert those strings to integers. Now how do you convert integer? My num1 equals to integer dot parseInt. This is the way of converting your string into integers. In here I will pass num1. Similarly, my num2 equals to e integer dot parseInt num2. This is the way of converting strings into integers. We have done this in 4 lines, but I can do that in only 2 lines. How? I will show you how to use just lines to for your Android code. I could be using int n1 equals to integer dot parseInt, and I would have to pass here only this. We don't need to store it in string. Okay, just you can get it directly. Similarly, integer dot parseInt e2 dot get text dot to string. We don't need all these lines, only 2 lines are sufficient. Whatever way you like, you can select these. Alright, I was just asking so that you may know well about this. Now you have done the second step. Now is the time for third step. We have to add those numbers. Suppose user enter 5 here and user enter 6 7 here. Now we have to sum those. So I will take a sum equals to my num1 plus my num2. So we have taken this sum. Now we have to print this. In DOS message you can only print strings. Now there is a fifth step. Here you have to convert I have to convert this integer to string now. Convert integer to string. How will you convert integer to string? I will select integer sum str. Alright, I will save this integer string dot value of. This is the way, and now I will pass sum. Now you have converted the integer into string. First of all, I showed you how you can convert integer into strings, how you can convert strings into integers, and then integer into string. Alright, now I have to print this dot make text get application context sum str log.show. Now this is done. Similarly for subtraction I will need the same code. Only I will change the sign here, minus, and in here I will say add this. So, yes. Similarly for multiplication same code will be applied. I only need to change the sign here. Similarly here I have to change the sign. Now I have to link the buttons with those functions. So I will click on click, addition, and now subtraction, now multiplication, and now division. So let's run the application. Now you can see the application is running. I will input the number 5 as the number 1, 6, and I will number 3 in num2. Now when I click on add button, addition, you can see add is equals to 9, and when I click subtraction, and you can see sub is equals to 3, and when I click multiplication, you can see the multiplication is the result is 18, and if I divide this, the division answer is 2. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.